So we started 6 years ago in India, and about 8 years ago overall, we started with a product idea in higher education space that used machine learning, predictive analytics to retain students, stop dropouts. That was very interesting idea. We saw a lot of interest. And in parallel, we started working on services for companies in various sectors, including finance and other industries, to help with their data journey, their cloud migration activities, and so on. And soon we realized there were a lot of problems that were common across companies, across industries. There were patterns we could see, and we came up with ideas for productizing or creating accelerators to solve those problems that were appearing as patterns. Um, that understanding has helped us. We came across many partners, customers who helped improve our understanding of the domain, the industry that we are working with. Today, we work with over 60 odd customers across different sectors like BFSI, healthcare, medtech, medical technology, retail, and also government. So this helps us understand how business transformations happen and have happened since last over a decade. We provide services on data analytics, AI, cloud, large-scale enterprise solutions, including managed services. So the journey has been extremely interesting from startup to mid-size organization. Digital disruption, business transformation using digital technology. This is a very interesting topic. Every organization needs to understand what is the digital maturity for their industry. And the demand for each industry is different. The business goals for each company are different. For example, companies in consumer facing businesses, especially retail kind of companies, the demand in that industry for digital disruption is very high. So we start with strategy with most of our customers understanding what their goals are, what their industry demands, and then we work with them for implementing various digital disruptive technologies, whether it's data or AI or cloud adoption, anything like that. But if this is done with good strategic focus and stronghold and execution, it does lead to very good competitive, sustainable competitive advantage. So we have deep focus on engineering standards and passion to bring business value to create impact using the technology and advances that does differentiate us. We have over a period of years continuously improved, continuously learned from our mistakes, learn from the industry that is advancing heavily fast. Um, so we strongly believe the ownership, the extreme ownership that we bring to the table, and the deep technical expertise does differentiate us. Sure. So just like any other startup moving from a journey of a small company to organization, we have worked diligently on maturing our practices, and some of the building blocks for the financial health are first and foremost making sure there is good financial planning. If something looks good on paper, only then it will look good in reality. Then making sure the controls are in place. This is a very important part because the company is growing, a lot of new things are happening. So financial controls are very important. All the regulatory compliance points are a given. They have to be in place. Most importantly, we use a lot of reports internally to understand what has happened in the past, what has worked for us in the past. We have monthly dashboards and monthly brainstorming sessions, and we use all this financial health metrics to make decisions. That has helped us. Sure. So we've been fortunate to have mentors from the start, and these mentors are successful individuals who have experience leading different organizations. They have shown belief in us, our vision, and I believe for any company or any startup to grow to enterprise level, it is very important to have right mentors who will push you to have higher and higher targets, will help you or perhaps facilitate different brainstorming sessions or planning sessions. So we've had very good experience, and we recommend everybody to find mentors who think alike and who help them grow. Financial has been a focus, and we've been fortunate to have large customers in this space who have made us part of their journey when when it's about creating data lake or creating intelligent solutions on top of those analytics platforms or so. So banking and financial stays as one of our important key sector. In addition to that, healthcare has been around, and we have seen some very interesting solutions being developed in healthcare space as well using data analytics and innovative technology solutions. From a driver perspective, like we said, we saw a lot of value that we can bring to the table using data and technology and cloud and AI advances. We have seen a lot of places where the repetitive problems occur, and then we can create productized solutions. We can create accelerators. We have been fortunate to have our oldest customers also still being with us and growing with us. That has given us confidence to grow and expand across different geographic locations as well as different sectors. From a future perspective, we continue to invest in data analytics, AI, machine learning. We are thinking of creating AI labs, and we also are expanding our cloud practice in addition to the data practice because there is a lot of demand and there's a lot of scope for these technologies, particularly to help in the digital journey that most large organizations are. We face many challenges, and most of them are growing pains. First and foremost, we have to recognize that there are challenges, and we have to continuously evolve. For example, the processes that we have internally cannot be heavy to start with. You have to have lean processes, but at the same time, make necessary changes as you grow. Maintaining the technical expertise is something we have to keep a keen eye on. In addition, we've been fortunate to have a very good culture and very good, enthusiastic, talented team. Keeping that culture, keeping that understanding of what is clairvoyant way of doing things is also very important. So we take that as a challenge and we work towards maintaining the great culture that we have. It's about 400 plus strong in India, and we are across different cities, primarily in Pune, but also in Hyderabad, Vizag, and Ahmedabad. So we have teams across locations. So this is a very good testimony to all the hard work and due diligence done by our team over years. It has been a very interesting journey, a lot of hard work, and financial health is one of the key pillars for success for any organization. So we feel very proud to be recognized, and especially thank ET Rise team for nominating us for the top performance category in the top MSME ranking. We feel really good about this, and we think this will only help us take it to the next level from here.